After decades of anticipation, Yamaha has officially brought back one of its most iconic motorcycles, the 2026 Yamaha XT500. This legendary machine, which once ruled both on-road and off-road terrains, has finally returned with a perfect balance of classic charm and modern technology. In today's video, we at Us Bike Pro will take you through everything you need to know about this stunning new XT500, its design, engine, features, and why this relaunch is creating such massive excitement among riders around the world. Design and styling. Yamaha has managed to keep the retro DNA of the original XT500 intact while adding a sleek, futuristic edge. The 2026 version features a minimalist scrambler-style body, rounded LED headlight, aluminum tank with brushed finishes, and a flat seat that pays tribute to the 1976 model. The frame has been upgraded with lightweight steel tubing, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary weight. Every angle of this bike screams adventure and nostalgia, making it a perfect blend of old-school toughness and new-age styling. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha XT500 lies a 499 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, completely redesigned for today's standards. It produces around 42 horsepower and 46 Nm of torque, delivering smooth and responsive performance across all terrains. The fuel-injected system offers better mileage and lower emissions, while the 6-speed gearbox provides flexible gearing for both city rides and off-road trails. Yamaha claims this model to be 20% more efficient and 15% lighter than the previous generation prototypes. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling dirt paths, the XT500 offers the kind of raw, reliable power that made it a global legend in the first place. Suspension and handling. Yamaha designed the XT500 with true adventure in mind. It comes equipped with long-travel suspension, offering exceptional comfort on rough surfaces. The front telescopic forks and rear monoshock ensure stability and control even on the toughest trails. Combined with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, this motorcycle can glide through gravel, mud, and rocky terrain effortlessly. The bike's lightweight chassis and balanced geometry make it easy to maneuver for both beginners and experienced riders, truly keeping the go-anywhere spirit alive. Technology and features. While the XT500 pays homage to its roots, Yamaha hasn't compromised on technology. The 2026 model includes a digital analog instrument cluster, switchable ABS, ride modes, and optional traction control for off-road safety. It also features LED lighting all around, USB-C charging port, and Bluetooth connectivity through Yamaha's My Ride app, allowing riders to track performance stats and routes. These upgrades ensure that the XT500 feels as advanced as any 2026 motorcycle while preserving its timeless simplicity. Yamaha has focused heavily on rider comfort. The upright riding posture, wide handlebars, and low seat height make it suitable for long-distance touring as well as city commutes. The seat uses dual-density foam for better cushioning, and the fuel tank capacity of 14 liters ensures you can cover long distances without frequent refueling. Every detail has been refined to make the XT500 an ideal partner for both adventure seekers and everyday riders. The 2026 Yamaha XT500 will first be launched in Europe and Japan, with other markets following later. The expected price is around $8,499, which is quite reasonable considering its heritage and performance. Yamaha also offers optional adventure accessories like luggage racks, skid plates, and rally-style windshields for those who want to take it further off-road. The 2026 Yamaha XT500 isn't just another motorcycle, it's the rebirth of a legend. With its classic looks, powerful engine, and modern features, it reminds us why the XT name became so iconic in the first place. Yamaha has managed to capture the heart of the original while giving it the soul of the future. If you're a true biking enthusiast, this is one machine you definitely want to see in action. Stay tuned with Us Bike Pro for more updates, reviews, and news about the world's best motorcycles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content, because here at Us Bike Pro, we bring you the real spirit of riding.